Welcome to the advanced breakdown of CPMAI v7, the go-to framework for managing complex AI and ML projects in production environments. Whether you're deploying large-scale models or overseeing AI strategy, these 6 redefined steps will help you master AI lifecycle management, ethically, efficiently, and at scale. Step 1. Strategic AI alignment. Goal: align AI with enterprise value creation. Translate abstract business goals into data-driven success criteria. Create AI value maps, impact forecasts, and stakeholder charters. Address AI-specific risk factors, regulatory requirements, and ethical red lines. Experts know AI isn't about prediction, it's about precision and impact. Step 2. Data intelligence mapping. Goal: understand data beyond its schema, know its behavior, lineage, and risks. Build data asset registries, track provenance and compliance status. Perform bias diagnostics, data sufficiency analysis, and skew audits. Use tools like YLabs, Data Hub, or Great Expectations for profiling. Your model is only as smart as your understanding of your data ecosystem. Step 3. Pipeline engineering and feature strategy. Goal: build repeatable, scalable, and secure data engineering systems. Implement version-controlled ETL pipelines with DVC or mFlow. Build and manage enterprise-grade feature stores. Automate validation, schema checks, and anomaly detection with CI/CD tools. At scale, manual data prep is a liability. Automate or fall behind. Step 4. Ethical model architecture. Goal: build models that are accurate, explainable, and audit-ready. Use advanced modeling, ensembling, transformer fine-tuning, AutoML pipelines. Integrate XAI, explainable AI, frameworks like SHAP or LIME. Bake fairness metrics, interpretability, and adversarial robustness into training. In regulated industries, explainability isn't optional, it's architecture. Step 5. Risk-based model evaluation. Goal: test beyond accuracy, test for risk, fairness, and trustworthiness. Conduct stress tests, counterfactual validations, and real-world simulations. Evaluate demographic performance variance using AIF 360 or FairLearn. Review models with domain experts, legal, and compliance teams. True validation isn't just statistical, it's social, legal, and operational. Step 6. Intelligent deployment and lifecycle orchestration. Goal: operationalize models with observability, governance, and control. Deploy with CI/CD pipelines in SageMaker, Vertex AI, or Kubeflow. Monitor with tools like Evidently AI, RISE, Prometheus for drift, fairness, latency. Set up automated rollback, retraining triggers, and model performance SLAs. In the real world, models live in chaos. You need tools to tame the entropy. If you're operating in the AI big leagues, CPMAI v7 isn't optional, it's foundational. This expert-level framework gives you the structure to scale AI responsibly while delivering real-world business outcomes. Subscribe for more deep dives on MLOps, AI strategy, and ethical AI systems.